Hey guys, sorry I'm not there this morning. I had some personal and family business I had to take care of. But I hope you guys are doing a really good job for the visiting teacher. I'm sure he or she is working really hard to do the best they can, so give them the best you can, okay? Follow the rules. Let everybody learn, okay? All right, so let's get started with math. Today we're going to be doing lesson number 13, and with lesson 13, you're not going to be doing it in your math module. I want to have you guys do it on the homework sheet. It'll be the yellow sheet, so you'll get that passed out. Let me just explain what's going on real quick, and then I want you to watch. Mr. Kung has problems, and he'll kind of go through. He'll do one of the problems on each one of the sections for that, and then you guys can do that. Depending on what the sub says, you can either do it individually or as a group, or as small groups. So the sub will have the discretion on that. They can choose how they want to do it. So anyway, so the lesson 13 is we're going to be adding decimal numbers by converting them from the decimal into the fraction and then back to the decimal. Sounds kind of strange to do one thing, then go right back to what it was. But the reason we're doing that is because it will give you an idea of, and so that you can show that you understand the concept of what's going on when we're adding decimals. Anyway, so let's say we have 4.3 plus 4 and 4 and 5 hundredths. So 4.3 and 4 and 5 hundredths. So to convert this, 4.3, well, that would be 4 and 3 tenths, or 4 and 3 tenths plus the 4 and the 5 100ths. Okay, real easy. The 4s, you can just add those together. 4 plus 4 is 8. That's pretty easy. But the hard one is going to be the 3 tenths and the 5 100ths. Remember, we're going to convert the 3 tenths into 3 30 hundredths. And remember, we just multiply by 10. So the 3 times 10 is 30. So 3 times 10 equals 30. And then 10 times 10 equals 100. This one is already in hundredths, so plus 5 hundredths. So you're going to do 8. That'll equal 8 right here. And 35 100ths. Now, to change that back from 8 35 100ths, pretty simple. All you do is you do 8.35. That would be 8 and 35 100ths. So we're going from decimals, we're adding decimals, converting it to fractions, and then adding it, and then converting it back to a decimal. All right, so watch Mr. Kung's video, and you'll find out how to do each one of the math problems, and he'll go over the directions with you to kind of show you what to do, and then you're on your own to do it. All right, have a great day, and I will see you guys all tomorrow. And if later on this afternoon you're going to be working on your projects, so and when you're doing your projects, please don't ask to go outside to film. The sub doesn't know much about that, so I want you to just respect her and just work on the projects, what you can do in the classroom. Okay, you're free to film in the classroom. Just make sure you ask people to be quiet, but ask in a polite way. Be polite with everybody. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye.